Conda command is not recognized on Windows 10. I installed Anaconda 4.4.0, Python 3.6 version, on Windows 10 by following the instructions here, this URL. However, when I open the command prompt window and try to write, I get the Conda command is not recognized error. I tried to run, but it didn't help. I also read that I might need to edit my .bashik file, but I don't know how to access this file, and how I should edit it.
In Windows, you will have to set the path to the location where you installed Anaconda 3 to. For me, I installed Anaconda 3 into C:\Anaconda 3. Therefore you need to add C:\Anaconda 3 as well as C:\Anaconda 3 \scripts / to your path variable, e.g. set path equals %path %, C:\Anaconda 3, C:\Anaconda 3 \scripts /. You can do this via PowerShell, see above, this URL, v equals versus 85.aspx, or hit the Windows key, enter environment, choose from settings, edit environment variables for your account, select path variable, edit new. To test it, open a new DOS shell, and you should be able to use Conda commands now. E.g., try Conda version.
When you install Anaconda on Windows now, it doesn't automatically add Python or Conda. If you don't know where your Conda and/or Python is, you type the following commands into your Anaconda prompt. Next, you can add Python and Conda to your path by using the set command in your command prompt. Next, close that command prompt and open a new one. Congrats, you can now use Conda and Python. Source, this URL.
If you want to use Anaconda in regular CMD on Windows, you need to add several paths to your path environment variable. Those paths are, instead of Anaconda 3, the folder may be Anaconda 2 depending on the Anaconda version on your PC.
The newest version of the Anaconda installer for Windows will also install a Windows Launcher 4 Anaconda prompt and Anaconda PowerShell prompt. If you use one of those instead of the regular Windows CMD shell, the Conda command, Python, etc. should be available by default in this shell.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.